Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all, this is social media appreciation, not social media appreciation, social media anniversary celebration day 4. I got 3 more videos of this, and I'm going to put some bonus videos along the way, so you might have 6 videos in the next 3 days. So I'm so excited, y'all. This whole week has just been exciting. I can't even sleep. Just anticipation of what video I'm going to do next. I know what videos I'm going to do next. It's just the anticipation of just all these foods are foods I just love. Everything I cook I love, but y'all don't know the excitement. I'm even more excited than I am. I'm always excited when I cook. I just love cooking. You just got to have a love for this. People say, how can you cook every day? It's just a love and a passion in my soul, just like giving and helping others. Just a love and happiness and excitement when I do that. So this is one of them. The day is even more to the next level, because this is either you love it or hate them type thing way back in the woods country. This is old school barbecue pork pigtail, I keep saying pigtail, pig feet and pig ears, y'all. I grew up on this. My daddy used to actually smoke these on the pit after. I'm gonna show you the process, and then put some. Oh man, this is amazing. So anyway, let me get started here, y'all. First step here is the longest step of the process. Put the pig feet in here, pig ears on top here, and I'm gonna fill this up with water, and I'm gonna simmer this. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper in here. That's it. Simmer this about an hour and a half. Sometimes it takes over 2 hours, depending on how tough the feet and the ears are. We want to simmer this till it gets very tender. Let me put this over here. Let me move y'all over here where y'all can see what I'm doing here. There we go. I'm going to put some salt and pepper in here. And a little vinegar. The vinegar going to help also with the tenderization process and give it a little distinct flavor. So y'all can still see me here. And give it a little distinct flavor. So we're going to put some salt and pepper in here. A couple of tablespoons. Don't take that much. It's a lot of pig feet. Put that on. Let me grab my vinegar. Put a little vinegar in here. And that's it, y'all. We're gonna let this simmer. It's gonna take about 2 hours for this to simmer and get really, really tender. And after it simmer and get tender, I'm gonna take it out to my smoker. Now I got the luxury now of having an electric smoker. I don't have to, even it works better too for this, because I don't have to light my big pit. I'm gonna put it on my smoker for an hour. Get an hour worth of smoke on it. After I get an hour worth of smoke, I'm gonna take it off. We're gonna brush it with a thick barbecue sauce, put it in the oven, get some caramelization on it, a nice thick caramelization, man. Then it's on, y'all. I can eat the whole. I really could. I could eat six pig feet, cause not a lot of meat on it. It's just that last cartilage and that sticky cartilage, and all you need is a wet rag, cause you know the barbecue sauce is sticky, pig feet are sticky. I'm telling y'all, this has me just excited. I love doing this. Just an exciting week for me, and I got 3 more days of this, and I don't know if my heart can take the excitement of this. Y'all don't know the excitement I get out of this. Like I say, I'm posting a video every day. Some people might be bored of it. If they are, they don't have to watch. They can scroll over, but I just hope y'all enjoy it. So anyway, I'll be back in a couple of hours and show you the next step when I put on my electric smoker. And then we'll go from there. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, let's check out these pig feet. Look at that. Pig ears. Now, y'all, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take them out of here. See how they've been cooking for 2 hours. See how tender them ears are? What I like to do, spread them out on a sheet pan here. And I'm going to put them in the smoker. But first I got to get them all spread out here. Things are hot. Ooh, man, these things going to be good. They're definitely going to be good, y'all. So let me get my little lighter here. What I'm gonna do, see how tender these are, y'all? That's what I want. Exactly what I want, y'all. One more ear in here somewhere. Let's see where it's at. There it is. I love my pig ears, y'all. Like I say, this is acquired taste, y'all. Either you love them or you hate them. And like I say, I grew up when we killed a hog, we didn't throw away nothing. We used to, my dad used to smoke the whole hog, and I would fight. We would actually fight over the pig feet. That's what I want. In the pig ears, we would, you know, cook until it get crispy. So now what I'm gonna do here, I got my shake here, but I got my seed shake, which is the pig powder. And I'm gonna put some of that seasoning on this. If you go to his unclesteveshake.com, he got one that's like a competition pig, only for pork. And that's what I'm putting, that's the seasoning I'm putting on here now. So I'm gonna shake some of that on here. Get it all good and seasoned up here. Put a good seasoning on here. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go outside to my smoker. Y'all will meet me outside to my smoker here, and I'm gonna put this on my electric smoker. If not, if I didn't have the electric smoker, I would put it on the, hold on. Let's make sure that's on the right side, yeah. And I'm gonna smoke these for an hour. And the electric smoker, get some nice good smoke on them. And then after an hour, we're gonna take them off. We're gonna put some barbecue sauce on them, put it in the oven, 375 to 400 degrees. Get that nice caramelization on the barbecue sauce, and we got a good meal here. So we'll be right back when I get to the smoker. Okay, now we got our electric smoker now outside, y'all. We're gonna let her smoke here. I'm gonna let her smoke for about 1 hour. 1 hour smoke on them, 250 degrees. And after that, we're gonna take them off, and we're gonna head inside with them and put them with some barbecue sauce. But I want that extra flavor on it, no extra smoke on them, and that'll kind of put them over the top. Okay, y'all, we back outside here. Now, this is what we got here. See this? See how pretty those are? Nice smoke on them. Now, I'm gonna take them inside. We're gonna put the barbecue sauce on them, put them in the oven for about, I say about 15 minutes. Get a good glaze on them. We're gonna have us some old school barbecue pig feet, pig ears. So we'll be right back when we get inside. Okay, y'all, we are back inside here. Look how pretty these are. And it got there, like I say, I like to put a little smoke on mine. You can eliminate the smoke in this step and just go right from the water into the pan like this into the oven. But let me reiterate what I did. I boiled them for 2 hours. So I put a little salt and pepper in there and vinegar and boil them 2 hours, let them got tender, put them on the smoker for an hour, get some smoke flavor on them, a little more color. And now what I'm fixing to do, you're gonna use a thick barbecue sauce. Put on here, we're gonna rub this barbecue sauce on here, and give it that extra thickness. And I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. But it has to be a thick barbecue sauce, y'all. That way it'll coat on there better. So just put a little glaze on here, just like this. Like I say, y'all, if you don't like pig ears, y'all, I mean, it's like I say, this is just acquired taste. Either you love them or you hate them. And y'all already know I love them. I just love the gristleness of the gristle in the pig ears. And that's all you do, y'all. You don't have to put a lot. Just want enough to, when I turn this oven up to 400, I'm going to turn it up to 400 degrees. Just to get that nice, that sticky glaze on them. That's all I'm looking for. That's all I'm looking for, y'all. 15 minutes in the oven. I'm going to put it to 400 degrees, y'all. 400 degrees, 15 minutes in the oven. And when I come back, I'm going to have everything plated up. And we're going to try these things out. So we'll be back in about 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, I am back here. Look at this. Look how tender these are. Look at that, just shaking. You can tell they're tender, y'all. So I'm gonna try to pick feet first. I'm keeping it classy, y'all. Like I said, I ain't gonna pick them up. Look at that. Oh, y'all. The smokiness. Look at that. Y'all, this is heaven to me. I'm telling y'all, if you never had smoked pig feet before, this is where it's at. Now, let's get a little this color, this ear. See how tender this is. I just like the gristleness of that. Wow. It's so tender. How tender it is. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, you gotta be old school country. Back in the wood to appreciate this. Oh, and give me a minute, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this stuff is so good. I ain't telling you something I heard. I'm telling you something I know. You can't beat smoked pig feet. I'm telling you, when we used to barbecue the hog, we used to fight over the feet and the ears. You can have the rest. But anyway, I hope you're enjoying my week of some of my favorite recipes and videos that I grew up on that I have never shared with y'all before that I absolutely love. It's like hidden comfort, you know. But anyway, this is day 4 down in the books. I got 3 more days to go. I hope y'all enjoying them. Like I said, I hope I'm not over, you know, sometimes people post so much and people get frustrated and then they unsubscribe or unlike or unfollow your channel or your page. But so far, YouTube is growing, so I guess I'm doing something right. But anyway, let me quit rambling. I'm just so excited this week. I got 3 more days of cooking and I'm excited. I got about 6 more recipes I'm gonna need to knock out in the 3 days. So I'm just excited, y'all. I love cooking. I love sharing my recipes. I love helping others. You just don't know. This is just the way I am. This is where I get my joy from this. But anyway, let me quit rambling and close this video out where I can eat me some pig feet. Oh my God. Let me tell you one thing about why they're so good. You see, I seasoned them twice. Really 3 times. Season them when I cook them, put the salt and pepper in the water. Then before I put them on the smoke, I put that nice rub on there. And then after it came off, I put the barbecue sauce on it. So they so flavorful, y'all. I guarantee you, if you was here, you'd never taste nothing like it. I'm not just bragging because it's me cooking them. It's just the flavor. I love the flavor contrast. That's why I like when I cook. It ain't all about the food. It has to have flavor. All my food, I don't just cook fake food and just. That's why I taste my food to show y'all. Look, the food is done. It's cooked properly, and I wish you was here to taste it because it's all about flavor to me. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share. Please share. That's very important. I don't say that enough. Please share my videos. I say like, comment, subscribe, but please share the video. That's very important. I love the comment. I love reading the comment. Sometimes 2 or 3 in the morning, I'll wake up, pick up my iPad, and just start reading through. That does a lot to me. It really does. That's you know, that's what they call it, reward for me right there. Just reading your nice comment. I love it. That means a lot to me. You really don't know. That's just like getting letters in the mail. When I open my mailbox and y'all written me letter, that makes me feel so good. It really does. So anyway, let me close this video. I'm like a Baptist preacher. I'm about to close now and still up there preaching. But anyway, follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021. Help somebody, old school soul food. So I hope y'all enjoying this. I got 3 more days to go with my social media anniversary celebration. So until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. I will definitely see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Bye.